Hello, good people of the internet. Welcome back to another video here on Food Chain TV. So I was at Costco today and I came across these fresh fettuccine noodles imported from Italy, and they just spoke to me in Italian, so I'm not sure what they said, but I imagine them kind of swimming in cream and mushrooms and bacon. So that's what we're doing today. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients for our beautiful pasta dish today. We have some Costco mushrooms, heavy whipping cream, a whole bunch of Pecorino Romano cheese, garlic, a little bit of parsley because you know I like to put parsley in everything, and some bacon. Okay, and this is what it looks like once I've prepped all the items. I've sliced the mushrooms, I've chopped up the parsley, I've sliced up all those garlic cloves, and I took about a quarter of the package of bacon and I just roughly sliced it up. Okay, I have a big pot of water going here, but I'm not going to show you guys how to cook pasta because I think everybody knows how to cook pasta. So let's get into the sauce. Okay, now that the pan is nice and hot, the first thing that goes in is the bacon. And I just want to cook it until it starts to let go of a lot of that fat. This is going to add a nice smoky, salty flavor to the sauce. I have this pan on medium-high heat. This has only taken maybe 1 minute, and you can see the fat is already starting to come off of the bacon. And the bacon does not have to get crispy. All I want is the fat to start coming off of it. So now I put in the garlic. I've sliced it instead of mincing it so that it doesn't burn. So I'm just going to fry that garlic in the oil for maybe another 15-30 seconds. And this process, what it does is it gets all of the garlic's own juices and oils to come out, and that's what flavors the dish. Okay, and right away I'm just going to put all these mushrooms in there. And now the oil or the fat from the bacon is actually going to start cooking these mushrooms. If you've seen my other mushroom videos, you know that I sometimes like to cook mushrooms in stages depending on what I want the mushroom to be like when the dish is finished. And I just want to cook these mushrooms to like stage 2 being where they just let go of their water. And so the mushroom juices will come out and they will lend themselves to the sauce, and that's where the mushroom flavor for this sauce will come from. I'm going to turn this down now to like medium heat. And you can keep this moving so that nothing burns. Okay, so maybe 2 minutes later, now the mushrooms have started to release all their water. See it coating the bottom of the pan? Okay, so I don't necessarily want to evaporate all this water. I want to use this for the sauce. So I'm just going to cook these for another minute and then I'll add the cream. Okay, so these mushrooms are cooked as much as I want them to be cooked. They're nice and soft. And now I'm going to add the cream. I'm going to add probably about, I would say maybe 2 cups, 3 cups of cream. So this is the part where I season it. I'm going to add some sea salt. Okay, that's a nice tasting sauce. Now I'm just going to get this to a simmer and just reduce this sauce a little bit. So when you're reducing the cream, this is what it looks like. It's nice and frothy and bubbly, but you don't want to walk away from it just in case it boils over. You just want to stick around the kitchen and keep an eye on it. And what we're doing is just evaporating some of that water so the sauce thickens to some degree. Okay, I just put the fettuccine in the water. It's going to take 3 minutes to cook, and then I'm going to transfer that in here into the sauce. So that's probably why you're wondering if I'm going to thicken the sauce with a roux, and I am not, because that pasta is going to absorb a lot of the liquid in the sauce. Okay, so my fettuccine has been boiling in the water for 2 minutes, and I'm going to take my spider and my tongs and just transfer some of this pasta directly from the pot into the sauce pot, just like that. That way you don't have to bother draining it in the sink. Okay, and then now the last minute of cooking is going to be done in the sauce. So that pasta is going to absorb whatever's left of that extra water here. And since it's not overcooked, we're not going to break it. It's all going to stay together. And that's the kind of beautiful dish you want to see right before lunch. Some nice fresh Italian fettuccine, soaking up all that beautiful cream and all the flavors from the mushrooms and the bacon and the garlic. This is a beautiful thing. Okay, we're almost there. Cooking with fresh pasta is really good because everything's done so quickly. Okay, so now I've turned the heat off. I can see that the pasta has absorbed most of the water inside of this sauce, so all that's left over is the creaminess of the cream and all the flavor and the oils and the mushrooms. So now we're going to top it with the pecorino. A ton of cheese here. And the fresh parsley. Okay, and here you go, guys. Check this out. A perfect mushroom and bacon fresh fettuccine pasta with a little bit of cream. This thing is going to be a flavor bomb. I cannot wait to dig into this, and I'm sure my family is anxiously awaiting in the next room because I bet you even the neighbors can smell this. This is another beautiful dish here, made with fresh ingredients in under 20 minutes. I'm going to cheat a little bit and have a little taste here before anybody else gets to this. Oh man, look at this. Can I tell you guys, this tastes just like it looks. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And when you make this, let me know in the comments section what you thought of it, because I bet you're going to like it. So next time you're at Costco, pick up some mushrooms, pick up some of this fresh pasta, and put yourself together this beautiful pasta dish. Alright guys, it's manja time. I will see you on the next video.